Right, beta ji. This is AP ka exercise 5.3. We have already covered question till question number 14. I think 12, 13, 14 was your homework. Now we are starting up with question number 15. So for from question number 15 onwards, I am not going to solve the equations for you people, bacha. I will just show you the AP and rest you will do on your own. This is just finding the APs, bache, in all this. And if you know the correct AP, you can quickly do that. Then this optional exercise, if we will find time for it, like if we have saved time from all that, because we are only doing the equations, we can quickly start with the optional exercise also today. Right? Chale abhi, we are going to do optional also before winding up the chapter. Chale? Okay. Now starting up with question number 15. A contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: rupee 200 for the first day. If I give you a target on this date, the work should be over, and if it is not over by then, if it takes one more day, a penalty of 200 rupees made there, is declared there. 250 for the second day, 300 for the third day, etc. Penalty for each succeeding day being rupee 50 more than the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as the penalty if he has delayed the work for 30 days? 30 days. 30 days है. तो 30 days तक का आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. इसका मतलब क्या है? सबसे पहले आप ये देखो एपी क्या है. व्हाट इज द एपी है? कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाट इज द एपी
200,
है?
250 and 300.
Is it this the AP, everyone? Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Right. So 200, then 250, 50 more than the previous one, 300, then 350. Right, beta? And you have to find S30 for this AP. Why S30? Sum of all the penalties applied for 30 days. He has to pay. Understood or not, bache? Clear or not, everyone? So this is the AP. A you can know, D you can find out from here, N you already know is 30. You have to find that out. You'll be able to do this, right? So just write this hint there. Question number 15, hint, AP likh lo and find S30 likh lo. That's it. Okay. Okay, now those who have not joined today, I am uh, not allowing them to join now. Enabling waiting area and they won't be allowed to join the class now. चलें अभी आगे. Next करें बच्चा. Right. Next is a sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. So 7 cash prizes you need to give and the money is 700. Total money is 700. If each prize is to be 20 less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the prize. कैसा करें? Let's say the first prize is, we don't know, let that be P or A or B or whatever. P से price है तो P I have taken, otherwise you can take it anything. ठीक है? So next price will be 20 less than this. So that means next is P minus 20. The next price will be 20 less than this one now. So that will be P minus 40. This is the AP in front of you, bacha. So what is D? Can you tell me? What is D here? Can anyone help me find out? Gauri?
20 minus.
Gauri? Gauri?
Ma'am, it'll be minus 20.
Right, absolutely correct. Good one. So minus 20 is the D. A you know, D you know. And S7, all those 7 things ka sum also you know, 700. है ना? N also you know, Sn also you know, A also, like in algebra you know, P, and D also you know minus 20. So you will be able to find for this P or not?
मैम N 700 है ना?
N 700 नहीं है बेटा, SN टोटल सम 700 है. 700 रुपी टोटल है, सम ऑफ ऑल द प्राइजेस. अगर मान लो किसी को 500 मिला, नेक्स्ट को 480 मिला, नेक्स्ट को 460 मिला, इन सबका सम इज 700. अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? क्लियर एवरीवन? तो आप हिंट में क्या क्या चीजें लिखोगे? SN मतलब S7 is given to you 700. N is 7 of course. A is P or A is A only and D is -20. बस हिंट में ये चीजें लिख लो and you will be able to solve this. सिर्फ आपको A ही तो फाइंड करना है. You will be able to do that, right everyone? Clear? Okay. Next one, question number 17. Is everyone done writing with the hint? Should I move on? Okay. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. For example, section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, section of class 2 will plant 2 trees. तो class 12 के बच्चे 12 trees plant करेंगे, है ना? There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted? So what is the AP? Can you people tell me here?
Yes, ma'am.
1,
1, 2, 3,
Ma'am.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
1, 2,
10,
3,
11,
4,
12.
5, 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many are there supporting this? Are you sure this is the AP?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 3, 6, 9, 12 is 3
Chalo,
plus.
next vote we have got 3, 6, 9. Why has she multiplied it with 3?
Ma'am, because each class has 3 sections.
3
That is
sections.
Oh.
3 sections. Each
Yes,
class has got
ma'am.
3 sections. So class 1 is actually planting 3 trees. Class 2 is not planting 2 trees, it is planting 6 trees. Class 3 is planting 9 trees. Right, beta? So this is the AP here. Understood everyone or not? Clear? Tia, Arnav, is this clear, bache?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I not multiply the final answer by 3?
That can also be done, but like when I logically go with it, I
Ma'am.
find out the AP first of all. So for me,
मैम
it's
हमने
like,
मैम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई क्यों किया?
बेटो ध्यान से पढ़ो बच्चे. यहाँ पे लिखा है that where is the line gone?
Second last.
That there are 3 sections of each class. So 3 sections of each class means each section is like in your school you have 4 section of yours, but each class will be planting 10 trees only, no? Because you are in 10th grade only. So 10 into 4 you have, no? So you have together the complete 10th class has planted 40 trees and not 10. Understood or not, bache?
ओके मैम.
Right, bache.
Ma'am, how many trees will be planted? उससे क्या बोल रहे हैं?
एक
क्या
मिनट बच्चे.
फाइंड करने के लिए बोल?
हाँ जी बच्चे.
Ma'am, how many trees will be planted? उससे फाइंड करने के लिए क्या बोल रहे हैं?
SN.
ऐसे नहीं होगा बच्चे, सम है ना, सब क्लासेस के
Oh.
नंबर का सम है ना बच्चे.
Okay,
मैम
ma'am.
फिर उसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं या वैसे ही लिखना है? हम 3, 6.
बच्चे जो मैं वे बता रही हूँ, प्लीज गो बाय दैट. That is the finest way of doing a thing. Because finding the AP is one part there, one important part there. Okay.
मैम हो गया
Ma'am,
क्वेश्चन ऐसे
N,
क्या
N
बच्चे
क्या है?
बोलो?
N नहीं चाहिए.
N नहीं चाहिए?
मैम
N के
चाहिए
बिना
मैम
SN,
चाहिए मैम
N
चाहिए
के बिना
चाहिए
SN how can you
मैम
find? ये तो
चाहिए
मैंने
मैम
पहली
मैम
क्लास में
चाहिए
बताया था.
चाहिए
N,
मैम
12.
चाहिए मैम.
N
पता नहीं किसने
12 है,
बोला नहीं
12
चाहिए.
क्लासेस है.
Oh, अच्छा, okay.
ठीक है. ओके एवरीवन.
मैम एन क्या है फाइंड करना है
बच्चे 12 क्लासेस है ना बेटा,
ओह यस मैम
तो N is 12. ओके.
यस
Okay. Moving on with the next question, question number 18. So a spiral is made up of, let me show you the diagram first. It is on the next page. This is the diagram, beta. Let us understand this first. This is like 2 points A and B. And what are they doing? They are shifting on the centers. First, they have taken A as center, and they have made a semicircle using A. Then they have shifted the center to B, and they have made the second semicircle from B as center. Then they have again shifted the center to A, and they have made a semicircle this. Then they have again shifted the center to B. Alternatively, they are shifting the centers A, B, A, B, A, B. So now from B as center, they have drawn one more semicircle. This is how a spiral is made. Okay. So with this spiral, what is this question asking? Let us see. Let's go and read this. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternately at A and B, starting with center A of radii 0.5. Then the radii was 1, 1.5, and 2. Like when you came back to A, this was center A. When you came back to A again, this time the center radius is not the same. The radius is a little bigger one. So it turned out to be a bigger semicircle than the previous one from A. है ना? समझ में आ रहा है सबको कि नहीं आ रहा? See, from A center ये भी एक semicircle है और ये भी एक semicircle है. But this is with radius 0.5 and this is with radius 1.5. Okay. But let me take you to the question. This is, what is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? तो n तो 13 है बेटा. और total
Ma'am,
length
AP
मतलब
भी है.
S13. एक मिनट, ये AP है?
Yes, ma'am.
मार्क्स जाते हैं इसमें. मैक्सिमम बच्चे इसे AP चुनते हैं. मार्क्स जाते हैं बेटा. बेटा उन्होंने टोटल लेंथ ऑफ स्पाइरल पूछा, ये तो रेडियस का लेंथ है बच्चे. जो आप फाइंड कर रहे हो तनिष, वो इसका सम है.
मैम
वो
तो
इसका
सर्कमफ्रेंस निकालना है.
वो इसका सम है, राइट. सर्कमफ्रेंस निकालना है. तो अच्छा मुझे एक बात बताओ, सेमी सर्कल का पेरीमीटर का एरिया है, पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला है
pi r.
Pi r.
only pi r, है ना? So for this from A, what is this? Pi into 0.5. Or I can say either you can write 0.5 pi or simply you can write pi by 2. Right or not? 0.5 is half, no? So half of pi. Simple. Now with B as center, this is again pi r and this time it is 1. यही दिया था ना, 1 ही दिया था ना 0.5 के बाद.
मैम 1.5
1 and 1.5. 1 and 1.5 बेटा. A से है 1.5. है ना? So अभी अब B से 1 है, इसका मतलब that will be 1 into pi. So only pi. Next वाला. अब next वाले के लिए just one more and we are having the AP with us. What is this? 1.5 into pi. 1.5 into pi. आप चाहो तो इसे 1.5 pi ले लो, चाहो तो आप इसे 3/2 pi ले लो. देखो अगर आप 0.5 pi ले रहे हो तो ये लेना. अगर आप इसे अपना चॉइस बना रहे हो तो फिर ये लेना बच्चे. Go with anything, any one thing. अगर आपको pi by 2 pi और 3 pi by 2 अच्छा लग रहा है तो this is the AP. Otherwise 0.5 pi, pi and 1.5 pi. This can also be your AP. Understood or not everyone? Decimals में तो सब decimals में ही होंगे.
सेकंड वाला इजी लग रहा है देखने में.
Whatever, it is your choice, whatever.
मैम आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड.
बच्चे देखो दिस इज, उन्होंने बोला कि इस स्पाइरल को बनाने के लिए टोटल लेंथ कितना लगा है. पूर्वी स्पाइरल को बनाने के लिए क्या आप नोटिस कर रहे हो कि आप सेमी सर्कल का पेरीमीटर ले रहे हो बार बार, है ना? तो when you are taking the perimeter of semicircle, AP will be perimeters of different semicircles. इसका perimeter is pi r and r का value is 0.5 into pi r. This is the r here, है ना? Next इसका वाला अगर आप निकालोगे तो again the formula is pi r. तो r is 1 here, तो 1 pi. Understood? Next वाला 1.5 pi. Right? Clear or not everyone? Now this is the AP in front of you. आपको मालूम है N is उन्होंने 13 टर्न्स कहा था और SN जो है उन्होंने फाइंड करने को कहा था आपको. Understood? क्लियर है बच्चे सबको? हिंट लिख लिए, नोट कर लिया, एपी एन लिख लिया, एसएन फाइंड करना है लिख लिया। चले अभी आगे, शुड आई मूव ऑन? राइट, नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन
मैम
नंबर 19। हाँ जी बच्चे,
मैम मैम मेरी जैसे कुछ क्लासेस मिस हुई है मैम, 2 क्लास, तो मैम उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग कैसे मिलेगी मैम?
मैथ्स वाला साइंस वाला बच्चे?
मैम साइंस की तो कोई भी नहीं मिस हुई मैम, मैथ्स की हुई है।
तो यूट्यूब पे अपलोड हो जाएगा बच्चे, आई थिंक कल हो
ओके
जाएगा। अभी बीच में आई वाज ऑन द वीकेंड, आई वाज बिजी, सो हो जाएगा। ओके, right, so question number 19 we are discussing now. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, यहाँ पे 20 है, 19 in the next row, यहाँ पे 19 है, 18 rows in the next 18 logs in the next row, और इस तरीके से एक एपी बना हुआ है 20, 19 and 18। एपी क्लियरली गिवन है 20, 19, 18, है ना बच्चे? Now they are saying how many rows are there? The 200 logs are placed. अगर total 200 logs place करना है तो ऐसा कितना रोज होंगे वहां पे? तो इसका मतलब SN is 200 given to you. टोटल पूरी रोज का सम इज 200। तो SN गिवन है कि नहीं? है ना बच्चे? क्लियर नो? ओके, नाउ दैट्स इट। N फाइंड करना है, सिंपल, क्वेश्चन इज ओवर। AP यू नो 28, 19, 18, इसमें से अपने आप फैक्ट्स निकालो, व्हाट इज A, व्हाट इज D। मेरा काम AP बताना है आपको, AP दिखा दिया, नाउ दिस इज योर फाइट, है ना? तो अभी दिस इज दी AP, SN आपको 200 गिवन है एंड यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट। क्लियर है बच्चे? चलें अभी आगे।
डी
हाँ जी,
-1 होगा।
यस ऑब्वियसली राइट। नोट करो इसे, 1 मिनट के लिए पॉज रिकॉर्ड।
Ma'am, just
Yes,
one
sir.
second.
अच्छा, यू वांट मी टू वेट फॉर 1 मोर मिनट?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
ओके, वेटिंग। हाँ जी बच्चा, 20th क्वेश्चन। ऐसे क्वेश्चन केस बेस्ड में आ सकता है, ठीक है? सो
मैम
इन
बताओ इसमें क्या क्या होगा?
तनिष,
मैम प्लीज।
इन अ पोटैटो रेस। अच्छा चल तनिष जल्दी से बता दे, देखिए करेक्ट है कि नहीं, जल्दी जल्दी।
मैम तो मैम ए होगा 5 मीटर, मैम डी होगा 3 मीटर और एन होगा 10।
रॉन्ग,
हाँ
रॉन्ग। ऐसा जो, पता है आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो तनिष, इसको क्या बोलते हैं ना, आप नंबर्स के लिए हंट कर रहे हो, सामने जो नंबर लिखे हैं ना उनको एपी बना रहे हो। ऐसा नंबर्स के लिए हंट मत करो, कॉन्सेप्ट बार बार एपी अलग अलग बनाएगा। तो लिसन हेयर एवरीवन, पहले क्वेश्चन को समझा दूं आपको। मुझे तो पता है इस क्वेश्चन में ये लड़की क्या कर रही है, लेकिन आपको समझा देते हैं पहले। अ बकेट इज प्लेस्ड एट द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, यहाँ बकेट रखा है विच इज 5 मीटर फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट पोटैटो, सो फर्स्ट पोटैटो इज 5 मीटर अवे फ्रॉम इट। The other potato are placed 3 meter in the straight line. So 3 meter पे next, 3 meter पे next, 3 meter पे next, 3 meter पे next, ऐसा करते 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 10 potatoes total वहां पे रखे हुए हैं। ओके बच्चे, ये रहा 10th पोटैटो। अंडरस्टूड बच्चे और नॉट? अब गर्ल को करना क्या है, कंपटीशन किस बात का है कि कॉम्पिटिटर को स्टार्ट करना है फ्रॉम द बकेट। हेयर इज द गर्ल स्टैंडिंग फर्स्ट बाय द बकेट साइड, पिक्स अप द नियरेस्ट पोटैटो, वो जाएगी पहला पोटैटो पिक करेगी, वापस आएगी बकेट में डालेगी। कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया उसने तनिष?
5 मीटर।
Oh,
10 meters.
you're sleepy or you're
फर्स्ट
very busy with your food? I'll tell ma'am to watch this recording
नहीं
today.
मैम,
Wait.
मैम फर्स्ट तो मैम पर ये है ना जहाँ पे आपका वो कर्सर था
So,
अभी।
so वो, अरे वो गई है फिर वो वापस आई है ना बेटा। 5, 2 and 5 row. So 10 meters she has uh, traveled for first potato. For next potato
यस
she'll
मैम।
go 8 and 8 she'll come back.
16.
So 16. For next potato she'll go 11
22.
and 11 back. 22. Understood or not everyone? Understood? So this is the AP beta. This is the AP.
Even though this how do they have constant sum even though something is getting multiplied in the start? For example, in the start we've multiplied uh 5 with 2 and 8 with 2 and 11 with 2 as well. But still it has a common difference of 6.
So, like, how is that happening? You're asking.
Yes, ma'am. It should. Ma'am, you
That
said
is
that.
like the genius mind behind the one who has framed the question. He has taken numbers in a way that, like, that is going on in an AP only, no, beta. है ना? Okay. So now this is the AP, like whenever you are देखो, that is every time 3 meter is added, no? So every time plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 will happen, no, beta? So this question is very well thought of, right? So this is, of course, to and fro ho ya kaise bhi ho, if you're adding the same thing, that means that is making an AP, right? Clear, everyone? Okay. Now we have already found the AP. It is 10, 16, 22. That is the AP. Now, what are they asking us to find out? What is the total distance the competitor has to run to get all the 10 potatoes in the basket? So, iska matlab S10 you need to find. This is the 10th potato, no? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th.
मैम तो n 10 है.
N is 10, yes. Of course, when I wrote S10, so N is 10. Clear or not, bachche? Okay. So I've told you the AP, I've told you SN you need to find out, and N is 10. So you will be able to
Excuse
do
me,
this
ma'am.
question on your own. Yes, Maitri beta.
Ma'am, if we like जो पहले का AP था 5, 8, 11, if we find the SN by that and just multiply the entire SN by 2,
That's not the
ma'am, but
correct.
इसमें गलत कैसे होगा? Because like हर
Acha, you
इसमें 2
find
ही
out.
multiply.
You do it. You do it both the ways, Maitri, and find out if the answer is the same.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
Find out for me tonight. Okay? चले अभी आगे. Next question. We are moving to exercise 5.4. That is the optional exercise. Yes, we still have got 24 minutes approximately. So we can start doing this. है ना? Okay. You people want some writing time here to complete with that work? Okay. Take 2 minutes quickly and do it. Jaldi se. Right, beta ji. Now we are starting up with the optional exercise 5.4. This is question number 1. Very important question from examination point of view, wherein they're asking which term of the AP this is first negative term. So whenever is the term negative, whenever it is less than 0. है ना? Anything less than 0 is negative, right? So that means when an is less than 0, that time an is negative. Right, bache? Is that the fact or not? है ना? So we'll move accordingly. Now we know that whenever an will turn less than 0, then it will be negative. Okay. So now in this A, I know 121. I know D is plus minus. It is
-4.
-4. Right. -4. है ना? Right. And now an I am finding out. So an ke liye this is the first equation negative. That means an should be less than 0. Right, bache? Now if an is less than 0, iska matlab 121 plus n minus 1 times -4. This is a plus n minus 1d.
Should be
Right,
less
bache?
than 0.
This complete thing should be less than 0. This is an, no beta. An should be less than 0. Now, if an is less than 0, I am writing this as 121 plus minus 4n and plus 4. 121 and 4 is what? I am creating a little more patch here to work on. Right. And now this will be 125 minus 4n is less than 0. Right, bacha? Now if I transpose this to the other side, it will be 125. Just like equality ka sign you deal with. Similarly, you deal with these inequality ke signs greater than and smaller than. So 4n. Right, bache? And n is what? N is more than 125 by 4. जैसा ट्रांसपोजिशन करते हैं बिल्कुल वैसा ही ट्रांसपोजिशन कर रहे हैं बेटा. इट्स जस्ट दैट यहाँ पे इक्वल टू के साइन की जगह इट इज ग्रेटर देन लेस देन का साइन. अंडरस्टूड और नॉट एवरीवन? Now if 125 by 4, what is the answer? 31.10. 10 means 2s are 8 and 2, 20 is 5. Right, बच्चे? 31.25. Clear, बच्चे? Now, if n is greater than 31.25, then the term an is negative. Means the next n that will come greater than 31.25 is 32. So when n is 32, then this an will become negative, bache. That is what they asked us. They asked us which term. So it is 32nd term. The answer. 32nd term of this AP is the first negative term. Yes, tell me, Purvi, you were asking me something. Tell
मैम
me.
32 कैसे आया?
बेटो देखो, if you can see the sign clearly, n is greater than 31.25. n are whole numbers, right? So what is the next bigger whole number that you have? 31.25 के बाद next bigger whole number is 32. So n is 32. Clear everyone or not? So
Ma'am.
32 is the first
Ma'am,
negative
but
term.
if
उसके बाद का सारा terms are
Ma'am,
negative.
ma'am,
ma'am,
D
if n
minus
is greater than
हुआ.
31, then how do we know that it could be 30? It could be 33 or 34.
Beta, then all the terms ahead of it will be negative. No, when you have negative D. 30 greater than 31 is all negative. So 32 is also negative. 33 is also negative. 34 is all the terms are negative. But they ask you what is the first negative term. So first negative term is 32. No, if that is more than 31 point something. Understood or not? 1 minute enough. Kavish, did you get this?
Ma'am, not
Not
really.
exactly. Okay, listen. If I am telling you that n greater than this is negative, तो इसके बाद 32 term is also negative, 33rd term will also negative, क्योंकि d is negative no बच्चा, और further -5 और -5 और -5 हो रहा है. इस क्वेश्चन में I think -4 हो रहा है, right? -4.
All right, ma'am.
So they're all negative after that, but they have asked you
Right,
for the first negative term. So that you have found like this. Understood everyone or not?
Yes.
Clear? Any doubt, anyone? Okay. Chalo. Next question. For this you should write it completely. I have not given you any hint. I have solved the question for you. This is a new type of question that you have done here.
मैम इसमें मैम D minus 4 क्यों आया मैम?
क्योंकि बेटा D 117 minus 121, the gap is 4 minus 4.
Okay मैम.
Is it clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
People need writing time here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
बोलो बच्चा.
Ma'am, like, can you please tell me what this the 31.25 is smaller than n?
बच्चे, that
Exactly.
is the point. That is the point where n is going to make an negative.
Ma'am, I got that, ma'am.
But देखो, listen मेरी बात. N cannot be in fractions and decimals. I have already told you. So
Yes, ma'am.
31.26 can never be the answer. Next whole number can be the answer only, no? So after
Exactly.
31.25, the next n is 32.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So that's it.
Ma'am, so इसमें it's basically telling that if we have to find n, it is going to be bigger, greater than 31.25. That's
They
what
are
we have
asking
to do.
you from which point, from which n you'll start to get negative
That
values.
will be 32. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so from 32nd term, you'll start getting the AP in negative then. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Chale, should I move to the next question? Everyone? Very good. Okay. Now this is this question number 2 that we are discussing. The sum of the third, is this anything to do with the ladder? No, ladder is the third question. So I am moving it a little upwards and creating a screen for myself. Okay. So the sum of third and seventh term of an AP is 6. Iska matlab A plus 2D plus A plus 6D is 6. सबको क्लैरिटी है ये कैसे आया? कोई बच्चा ऐसा जिसको समझ नहीं आया? गौरी, दिति, अर्णव, कोई बच्चा ऐसा तो नहीं है ये A+2D A+6D अचानक से कहाँ से आ गया मैम? नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो इनिशियल वीडियोस पे जाओ, वहां पे इक्वेशंस बनाना सिखाया है. ओके अभी नाउ एंड देयर प्रोडक्ट इज 8, सो दैट मींस A, पहले मैं इसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई कर देती हूँ, देन आई विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट equation. This is A plus 2D plus A plus 6D is 6. So that is 2A plus 8D is 6. That means A plus 4D is 3. I have divided the complete equation by 2. That means, okay, okay. Let me wait here. पता नहीं ये काम आएगा या क्या, आगे देखते हैं. Next question, next equation बनाते हैं. Now their product is 8. That means A plus 2D times A plus 6D is 8. Okay. So two things जिनका sum is 6 and product is 8. So now one easy way of doing this is A का value यहाँ से निकाल लो. That is 3 minus 4D. Why am I doing this? Product है ना बच्चा. दो equations को handle कैसे करेंगे? Squares हो जाएंगे. A square B, D square B. It will be a problem for us, right? Are you getting it? दो चीजों का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, परेशानी हो जाएगी. लेट्स मेक अप ओनली वन थिंग का स्क्वायर. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ A आई एम राइटिंग 3 minus 4D plus 2D. Again, instead of A I am writing 3 minus 4D plus 6D equals to 8. Right, बच्चे? Clear or not? So अभी 3 minus 2D and this is 3 plus 2D is 8. A plus B A minus B जैसा दिख रहा है. 3 square minus 2D whole square. A square minus B square formula लगा दिया equals to 8. Hold on everyone and tell me, is this step to everyone clear or not? 3 square minus 2D whole square कहाँ से आया? Is it clear to everyone? A square minus B square.
Ma'am,
Diti,
identity. Yes, ma'am.
Diti बच्चा, this is A plus B A minus B. This is A minus B beta and this is A plus B.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, समझ में आ गया.
Oh, good girl, very good. So A square minus B square उसका formula बना दिया है ना बेटा? चलो आगे चले. Now is 9 minus 4D square equals to 8. Transpose करो. 4D square is equals to minus 1. D square is equals to minus 1 by 4. So D will be equals to
Half.
minus 1 by 2.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am 1 by 2 होगा.
1 by 2.
Ma'am, 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Half.
Half. D is equals to 1 by 2. Right बच्चे or not? अच्छा अभी D 1 by 2 आ गया. अब क्या करेंगे? आप किसी भी एक इक्वेशन में D का वैल्यू पुट कर दो, जैसा ये वाला था. तो A is equals to, यहाँ पे लिखना बेटा, substituting the value of D in this equation, 3 minus 4 into half. So it will be 2, 1. A is 1. Right or not बच्चे? तो थर्ड टर्म क्या बना बच्चे? A plus 2D मतलब 1 plus 2 into half 1. So that's 2. A plus 60 मतलब 1 plus 6 का half 3 तो 4. अरे हमें तो पहले से ही पता था कि 4 और 2 ऐसे नंबर्स हैं जिनका सम 6 होता है और जिनका प्रोडक्ट 8 होता है. पर करना पड़ेगा ये सब कुछ. राइट एवरीवन और नॉट? है ना?
Yes.
आई वॉज ट्रेनिंग माई 6th ग्रेडर्स कैसे सोचते हैं इन क्वेश्चंस को, 8 के फैक्टर्स पे सोचते हैं, है ना? तो हमें पहले ही पता था 8 के फैक्टर्स 4 and 2 आर मेकिंग सम 6। तो ऐसा भी पता लग सकता है ऑप्शन मेथड से भी फटाक से, लेकिन ये 3 मार्कर क्वेश्चन आएगा तो पूरा प्रोसेस यू हैव टू शो हाउ डिड यू गेट दिस। ठीक है बच्चे, क्लियर? यू पीपल वांट राइटिंग टाइम? Srishti wants it. Okay, giving 1 minute for it. Ladder thing now. So for ladder, I am scrolling a little down.
Find the
Yes.
sum of, right, ma'am. Sorry, I thought it was something complicated.
Chalo, let's learn this. What is this? A ladder has rungs 25 centimeter apart. Okay. So like one rung 25 centimeter apart, another also 25 centimeter apart, next one also 25 centimeter apart. So this is how the rungs on which like you put your step on while climbing up, those are rungs and they are all 25 centimeter apart. The rungs decrease uniformly in length from 45 centimeter at the bottom. This is 45 centimeter at the bottom and 25 centimeter at the top. This is the top one. Okay. If the top and the bottom rungs are 2.5 meter apart, these two are 2.5 meters apart. What is the length of the wood required for the rungs? मतलब टोटल इन सब में कितना वुड लगेगा, मतलब सबका सम फाइंड करना है ना? तो SN फाइंड करना है आपको, राइट? लेकिन कितना रंग्स है वो गिवन है क्या? नहीं गिवन है। तो पहले तो रंग्स कितना है पहले वो तो फाइंड करेंगे, N तो फाइंड करेंगे। वो कैसे करेंगे? अच्छा, बड़ा सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट है। जब टोटल इज 2.5 meters and each is placed 25 centimeter apart,
25 से divide.
can we divide it by 25 to get the number of rungs here? But one thing beta, meter and centimeter, different units. You have to make that in the same unit. 5/2 meter changed into centimeter will be 250 centimeter. 250 centimeter divided by 25 will get you the number of rungs. कोई बच्चा ऐसा जिसे समझ में नहीं आया हो कितनी rungs है?
मेरे को
किसको समझ में नहीं आया? तनिष को। तनिष बेटा,
Ma'am, in the hint it's given the number of rungs is equal to 25 upon 250 upon 25 plus 1.
+1. Explaining you that beta. So when you divide 2.5 by 25 each, that will give you the rungs like from here, no? Right or not, bache? For this initial one, you have to add 1 to it. Understood, bache, or not? When you divide the distance 250 into 25 centimeter apart, you get how many blocks are there ahead of the
N.
first one. है ना? You get N there. So N plus 1, you will get the number of rungs there. So number of rungs are 11. Understood or not, bache? Number of rungs are 11. Now there are 11 rungs, bache, and they are asking you to find S11. How to find it? What is the AP here? AP is, if you consider
Ma'am.
this to be the first one, so the AP will be, A will be 25 and L will be 45.
Ma'am, how did 11 come?
Ma'am, we don't need to find the D in this, ma'am.
Yes, because L is given, right?
N by 2
Because L is
into
given,
A
right?
plus L.
Right. तो आप डायरेक्ट वो फॉर्मूला पुट कर सकते हो, N by 2 A plus L. राइट बच्चे? S11 के लिए directly this formula can be used. Understood बच्चे or not?
हम what if एग्जाम में ऐसा समझ रहे हैं कि 10+1 करके मैं बिकॉज हम वैसे हम 250/25 तक तो वो तो हम समझ आ गया एंड खुद कर लिया था, बट मैम अगर एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में दिस ये नहीं समझ आया कि 10+1 रंग्स है,
So
तो
you'll simply write no beta that is +1 ahead of it, 1 ahead of it. Why? अच्छा ऐसे होता है ना when I ask you like there are some types of question when I ask like it's not clicking me yet. हम difference find करते हैं and then हम +1 करते हैं. याद है काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस में किया है हमने वो. I'll find out more examples to make it more relatable to you बेटा. ठीक है? Okay. आरिका याद आ रहा है किसी को? साची कितने सारे क्वेश्चंस तो ऐसा करते हैं कि जब डिफरेंस फाइंड करते हैं तो नहीं उसमें +1 करके डिफरेंट वो आंसर होता है. व्हाई इज दैट सो? जैसे नंबर्स में ही लो ना, हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर देयर बिटवीन दिस एंड दिस, ऐसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. आई विल वर्क ऑन दैट एंड आई विल टेल यू. ठीक है? व्हाई इज दिस मैचिंग दैट कॉन्सेप्ट? आई विल टेल यू देयर. ओके?
हम when will we discuss our test का वो उसमें फिफ्थ वाले में डाउट था.
फिफ्थ वाला वो सच अ बेसिक क्वेश्चन.
मैम मुझे भी नहीं आया 5th वाला.
कोई बात नहीं, नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस करते हैं. ठीक है? अच्छा अभी now these are the 2 questions left. Listen. 4 and 5 2 questions left beta. Hints are also given. Consider this to be your homework. नहीं होगा हम डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. एपी भी डिस्कस करेंगे. कविश रिमाइंड मी ऑफ एक्सप्लेनिंग दैट टू यू, लेकिन पुट दैट इन द ग्रुप बिफोर हैंड, बोल्ड में करके डाल दे. आई विल फाइंड आउट लाइक मेक सम क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू टू एक्सप्लेन दिस कि व्हाई एम आई डूइंग +1 हियर. ओके?
Now, even I have a doubt in that.
Ma'am,
ठीक है,
ma'am,
I'll explain. Don't worry, I'll explain.
ma'am,
For
हम
now, you
video
do
में
it like
record.
11 rungs are there. How? I'll explain that to you in the
Ma'am, I
next class.
think I can explain.
Okay, Arika, go ahead.
Ma'am,
I need to start
suppose,
with my next class. Quickly do it.
okay, ma'am. Suppose there are 3 lines. So उनके बीच के gaps जो है वो 2 हैं, but the lines are 3. So that's why you add 1.
Right, exactly, kind of. नहीं समझ में आया कविश?
Ma'am, I got it, ma'am. Ma'am, I got this.
Thank you so much, Arika. You saved a lot of time. Good. Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
ma'am, वीडियो का रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर कर दो.
हाँ जी बेटा, आज रात को नहीं तो कल सुबह.
Yes.
वो अपलोड 2 o'clock ही होंगी कल बच्चे. एक सेट टाइम 2 o'clock पे अपलोड, मतलब आप लोग को पब्लिश 2 o'clock होगी. मैं तो खैर रात को भी उसे शेड्यूल कर दूंगी. ठीक है?
Yes.
चलो, we are done with the class today. Homework you have already got to know, and you people also know whatever questions we have discussed, you need to complete those as your homework as well. So homework के लिए submission time is 2 hours. Within 2 hours you have to submit that. Oh, अरे मिष्टी.
Go out today.
Ma'am, me too.
Even I
मैम
have
मी
to
टू
go.
मैम. मैम मेरा
Ma'am,
10
so
दिन भी नहीं
I
बचा मैम छुट्टियों में. मैम मैं एक बार भी बाहर नहीं गया हूँ.
Ma'am, I have to go out with my parents पहले से ही.
Record हो रहा है.
तो 8 PM तक का टाइम है.
Okay.
Is that good enough?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
ठीक है ना? 8 PM.
Ma'am,
चलो.
9.
Ma'am, 9. Ma'am, please.
Bye bye.